Hi, I'm Faith, and today's video is all about how I got my house from a few months of chaos to clean. I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't posted any videos in a very long time. One of the reasons is because I'm expecting and I had a very rough first trimester. I was in survival mode for the first 16 weeks of my pregnancy. That's when I was focusing more on myself, on how to get through the morning sickness, and we had zero routines during those weeks. Now that I'm feeling much better, I started working on getting my life back on track. In this video, I'll show you my morning cleaning routine that I've been working on these past few weeks. I'll also share how I got myself to this point. It all starts right after we eat breakfast. I call it a family kitchen cleanup. This is where I've been teaching my kids to clear their things by putting their dishes in the sink and clearing the table. Previously, my kids will leave everything on the table and run off to do their own thing, but with my rough pregnancy, I needed my kids to help out. When I first started getting back on the morning routine, my main goal was to keep the kitchen table cleared and wiped. I didn't focus on unloading and reloading the dishwasher. Now that I don't have any morning sickness, we continue our family kitchen cleanup by working together to unload the dishwasher, clearing and wiping the table. Then I will reload the dishwasher. After we clean the kitchen, I tell my kids to start their morning routine, which includes brushing their teeth. I make sure to brush my youngest teeth, and right after I'm done brushing their teeth, I start my next cleaning task, which is to clean the bathroom. I put their toothbrushes, toothpaste, and mouthwash away. Then I spray the mirror, counter, and sink with the Methods cleaner and quickly wipe from top to bottom. Afterwards, I put a toilet cleaner in the toilet, let it sit while I wipe the toilet with the disinfectant wipes. I start from the top and go to the bottom. Then I quickly swish the toilet and flush. This has been one of my daily to-dos because this bathroom can quickly get very stinky. When I first started building the habit of cleaning the bathroom in the morning, I would actually skip cleaning the counter and just clean the toilet. It was one of the ways on how I build my habits a little step at a time. Then I'll go to my room to make my bed. First, I'll put away my must-have pregnancy pillow. I'll link it down below in the description. This pillow is huge, so I like to fold the body pillow into a pretzel shape and stuff it between the wall and my nightstand. Then I would make the bed like usual, except for the top red blanket. I actually don't make the bed completely unless I know we'll have somebody coming over. It's a very small step that I skip, but that's one way on how I'm simplifying my life while I'm pregnant. Then I do a quick tidy in the master bedroom. This includes clearing my nightstand where I usually like to keep my mason jar, my essential oils, and some random stuff. I love using a mason jar to keep track of my water intake. My goal is to drink 2 full mason jars before I go to bed. If my bedroom took a minute to clean, then I would quickly fold a load of laundry. But if my bedroom was extra messy, which usually happens after the weekend, then the laundry folding task will wait for another day. After tidying the master bedroom, I will quickly go throw in a load of laundry to wash. So far, I've been doing this morning routine for the past few weeks, and I'm truly surprised how much cleaner my house looks. Yes, I still have to figure out a system on how to keep up with the rest of the house, like vacuuming, mopping, and organizing, but overall, I'm so happy to have a very productive morning so I can enjoy the rest of the day with my kids. Click the like button if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.